classrooms, smart classrooms, digital libraries can bring this chance to our students. And this pathway may bring Western thoughts, culture, fashion, passion too, which can even be dangerous to our own beliefs, culture and identity. Assessment as a challenge. There are changing trends in assessment patterns across the globe. NAAC stress upon all stakeholders should be involved in assessment process along with teaching faculty, that is parent and students, teachers, management and society as well. So assessment can be categorized in 3 levels: self-assessment on the basis of NAAC supplied manuals to understand their own strengths, weakness and areas of improvement. For that parameter should be fixed by the college internal system, by the college faculty, that may be teacher or the management. External assessment can be done by the university, society or parent themselves to evaluate the product, that is the youth, to facilitate the development process of the institute and educational services, to promote innovation and strengthen the urge of excellence. The last challenge is to inculcate activities which can explore local resources for research, income generation, creating awareness among youth about our own local heritage, socio-economic problems and cultivating values of serving society with creative and empathetic values. As the most precious resource on this earth is a human being, and the best value of human being is being human to other fellow human beings. So let us consider all these aspects and walk on the path of righteousness, wisdom, which can bring all the peace, harmony, shelter and food to suffering humanity on the globe. Thank you all for listening me, and humble thanks to the college faculty for giving me this opportunity. The last word I would like to say, I have studied each state with a single quality of human beings. For Tamil Nadu, I think I have studied as the most EQ holders, emotional quotients. Yes, your IQ as well as EQs. If a college designs high activities to explore the EQ or to just crash the EQ levels of your students, you can bring innovation and you can pave the way for research of this state as the leading state for India. Thank you very much for listening.